The worst new construction home in Mont Belvieu, Texas can sit 3 doors down from the best one. Same builder, same floor plan, same price range, completely different result. That is why ranking builders from best to worst can give buyers false confidence. Today I'm giving you my actual checklist for separating a strong new construction purchase from a future headache. Hi, I'm Jamie Grace with the Grace Realty Group at Epic Realty. I help people buy, sell, relocate, and navigate new construction throughout Mont Belvieu and the entire Houston area. Subscribe to this channel because Mont Belvieu is growing, new communities are expanding, and buyers need more than a pretty model home tour before making one of the largest purchases of their lives. Mont Belvieu attracts people who want newer communities, more organized development, quieter surroundings, and convenient access to local amenities. You have areas around Riceland, you have established lifestyle options around Eagle Point, and you have new construction spreading through Mont Belvieu and surrounding Chambers County. And every one of those choices comes with trade-offs. The first thing that I evaluate is the superintendent. The builder's national reputation matters, but the superintendent controls what happens on the job site. Ask how often the superintendent walks the home, and ask about how progress is communicated. Ask how defects are documented, and ask what happens when the inspector identifies a repair. Pay attention to the response. A good superintendent does not need to pretend nothing ever goes wrong. A good superintendent addresses the issue. The second thing is the lot. Buyers spend hours choosing flooring and approximately 14 seconds choosing the dirt underneath the house. That's backwards. Look at the drainage. Look at the slope. Look at nearby retention areas. Look at what the property backs up to. Look at future roads and construction. Check your traffic flow. Drive the area during the times you would normally leave for work and return home. A larger kitchen will not make a bad daily commute feel better. The third thing is the inspection plan. If the home is being built from the ground up, talk with your inspector about a pre-drywall inspection. That's a stage where framing, wiring, plumbing, and other components may still be visible. Then complete a final inspection before closing. If the home is already finished, inspect it anyway. The builder's internal inspection protects the builder's process. Your independent inspector evaluates the home for you. The fourth thing is the mechanical system. Buyers love countertops because countertops photograph well. HVAC equipment does not get many Instagram likes, but it still matters more. Ask about the HVAC size and configuration. Ask about insulation. Check the windows. Understand the water heater. Look at the ventilation and ask about roof materials. Find out what is standard and what has been upgraded. Your home needs to perform in Houston heat, humidity, and heavy rain. It does not get bonus points for looking good under model home lighting. The fifth thing is the upgrade budget. This is where responsible adults lose their minds. You walk into a design center intending to upgrade the flooring, and then somebody shows you the cabinets, then lighting, then tile, then a dramatic freestanding tub that looks amazing but may never be used. Suddenly you have added the price of a small car to the house. Focus on structural or difficult to challenge items first. Be careful about spending heavily on cosmetic features with limited resale value, and compare the final upgraded price with a different builder's standard package. A lower base price doesn't always create the better value. The sixth thing is the incentive. Builder incentives can be useful. A rate buy down, closing cost contribution, or price reduction may save a buyer real money. But the word incentive does not automatically mean the best deal. Compare the builder's lender with an outside lender. Compare the interest rate and the fees, and look at the sales price. Understand whether the incentive requires using a specific title company or a lender. Calculate the monthly payment with taxes, insurance, HOA dues, and any special assessments that apply. A low advertised rate can distract buyers from a higher total price. The seventh thing is resale. You may believe this is your forever home. Life enjoys making plans without asking us. Consider how the property would compare if you need to sell it. Is the floor plan broadly appealing? Is the lot desirable? Did you overbuild compared to the neighborhood? Will you compete with new builder inventory? Would buyers choose your home over a brand new version with incentives? I generally want new construction buyers thinking in longer timelines. Selling quickly can be difficult when the builder's still offering new homes nearby. The eighth thing is the final walkthrough. Do not rush it. Check every repair. Open doors, test the windows, run the water, look at the yard. Review landscaping, confirm appliances, make sure warranty information is provided. Document unfinished work, And if something important is incomplete, address it before closing or get a clear written agreement. A verbal promise disappears very quickly once the keys change hands. So what's the best builder in Mont Belvieu? The best one that gives you the right home on the right lot with acceptable inspection results and a payment you can comfortably afford. What's the worst builder? The one you choose because the model smelled good and somebody offered you a free refrigerator. I'm only joking. Do not walk into a model home alone and assume the salesperson represents you. The salesperson works for the builder. You deserve someone who is evaluating the deal from your side. If you're considering a new construction in Mont Belvieu, comment below. Tell me which builder or community you're considering. I'll help you compare the home incentives, the lot inspection strategy, and resale position. Call or text me, I'd love to chat. Subscribe to this channel for more Mont Belvieu builder reviews, community tours, relocation information, and honest Houston real estate advice. I'm Jamie Graves with the Graves Realty Group, your red carpet realtor. Who you work with matters.